Okay, so kung may utang ka sa bank na hindi mo kayang bayaran, let's say meron kang 2 to 3 credit cards, meron ka ring personal loan and auto loan, paano ka matutulungan ng IDMS? One main service nila is debt consolidation. Means that they will find you a bank na magbabuy out ng liabilities mo. Specifically, your credit cards and your loans. Pagsasama-samahin nila yan para isang fixed interest na lang yung babayaran mo instead of multiple. So example, meron kang 80,000 dirhams na loan. Meron kang 2 credit cards which is 20,000 each. Ang total na binabayaran mo is 120,000 plus interest. So ang gagawin ng IDMS is hahanapan ka nila ng bank na magbibigay sa'yo ng loan. Take note, even if mababa ang credit score mo, gagawa nila ng paraan yon. Pag nabigyan ka ng loan, pay out nito yung existing loans mo. Maraming natatakot dito kasi iniisip nila baka mas mataas yung interest. But let's say may 12% interest ka per annum sa loan. And iba pa yung interest mo sa cards mo na monthly. That just means ang taas ng interest na binabayaran mo. And that's why makatulong sa'yo yung debt consolidation. Kasi aside sa hindi ka ma-hassle with multiple payments, mas mababa ang interest na babayaran mo combined sa lahat ng existing liabilities mo. So contact them here to know more about that consolidation. Bye!